So we're going to do the bathroom. This is a bit of a task because, as you can see, it's a gory, all white and horrible yellow tiles thrown in at random. And Marie's hated it ever since we moved in. Put a new shower head in, and a new shower, and that's pretty much all we did. The door's been hung wrong. If anybody knows about hanging doors, at the top there, all says lock. On this door, it's there. So hence the fact the door wobbles and rattles and the door lock doesn't fit properly. So new door. We're gonna have a new radiator. This radiator's had it. Can't bother to clean it and paint it. And for some reason, if you can get the camera down there, they didn't bother to take it off the wall when they done the tiling. One of my bugbears. So that's coming off, and we're going to have a nice chrome one up there. Or it might be there, don't know yet, depending on the plumbing. All the walls are going to be panelled in a white with a little fleck of leather. Ceiling's going to be panelled in white panelling with chrome trim. So that should look pretty cool. As you can see, most ceilings of the house of this age is painted with what's called distemper, which is this stuff. And nothing ever sticks to it, no matter how well you paint it, it'll always come back like this. I started stripping it back and then decided I'm just going to panel it so much easier and it'll look tidy. I'm going to have a new pull switch, because that one, as you can see, somebody decided to paint around it and we've got it all over it. Bath staying, because that's fine. It's going to be all re-trimmed when all the panels go on. Going to have a new toilet, because that's leaked ever since we moved in. And we're going for a narrower one, because as you can see, this isn't a very big bathroom. It's basically just under 6 foot square. New sink, although we bought this and it looked really nice when we first got it. All that's coming out, we have a nice vanity unit, new sink, new tap and new floor. This is all coming up. I'm going to relay the floor, box in all the pipe work so you can't see any of the pipe work, and re-trim all that. I'm going to do it as quick as possible, hopefully in the next 4 to 5 days. Fingers crossed. That all depends on whether all the stuff turns up, because we always get online. First thing I'm going to do today, I'm going to batten all this, because this all needs battening out, ready for the panels to go out when I get those on, hopefully Tuesday. So I'm going to cut some battening and put it to the ceiling and see how we get on. Right, so that's the ceiling done. Right, we've got all the battens up there. I just need to come over here and box those in. Just need to run a couple of pieces of wood just across here and here, so you can see that's the shower socket for the pull switch, and then that's the light socket there. But because the ceiling's coming down, I need to brace them. Then I put a couple of braces across where this light fitting is, because I've got a bigger light fitting to go up, just so we know that it's going to go into a joist. I've already taken the door off, so that's all stripped. I've just stripped all the architraves, took all the paint off them, rubbed them down to a new piece to patch in, and then yeah, I'll put the door on. So a quick break, and then get the sockets in so I can turn the electric back on, and then we should be able to start on the door. A quick update on what I've done so far. That's all fitted, ready for the panelling to go on. New doors now on, as you can see. New architrave all round, new door lock, and new door because the old one was pretty knackered. And today I'm going to be putting this radiator, taking the old one out, got to redo all the plumbing, and this radiator is then going to come up onto the wall there. The panelling should be turning up today, so should be able to start the panelling, get all this ripped out and get the new toilet and basin and vanity unit in at some point. So yeah, it's coming on, keep you updated. Right, so I spent most of the day pipe working to fit 2 pipes on there. You can see it on there. That's for the radiator. I managed to get 3 panels on. It's a bit difficult to see in this light. So 3 panels are on. So I'm now going to fit a radiator there. Right, so I've moved on a little bit further. That's that wall done up to the end, and the trim's in place. So that's the cabinet down there, and I've cut all the holes for it, which is going to go in there. So all the pipe work's in place now. New pipe work ready for the toilet. So now I've got a box in the bottom of those pipes, so you don't see those once all the panelling's on, and into that corner. So see how I get on. That's that area boxed in. Right, so it's day 5 of the 4-day makeover of the bathroom. I'm running a little bit behind. So this is where we are now. All the panelling in, that up to the bath. All the plumbing's done. And I've put the first row of tiles in. So I'm now going to fit the toilet and the vanity unit and sink so we can get water back on. But all done round the window. So it's looking quite smart. Quite pleased with it so far, and all the pipes are boxed in where you're not going to see them. All that lot will be hidden behind the vanity unit. Alright, so I've done quite a bit more. There's the shower panels all done. Sinks in, vanity units in. That part of the flooring I've done because I wanted to make sure that I've got floor underneath the toilet and underneath the vanity unit. So it's a nice crisp finish. Toilet's all working and plumbed in. Even put the toilet roll holder on. Still got the rest of this floor to do. And then get this wall done. So that's that needs doing. But overnight I found that just underneath the vanity unit, which is completely all boxed in as you see inside there, behind there, there's a leak from an old fitting. So I'm going to have to whip that out, check the fitting. I think I might need to replace it. Not ideal. Hopefully we'll be nearly there soon. Yeah, still the roof still needs to be done. Ceiling, which will look amazing when it's done. So keep you posted. Right, fix a leak. So that's all the cabinet back in place, and I fitted the shower door as well. So that's in. Put down a subfloor. So I can finish doing the flooring now. Painted the door frame. Doors off again, hinges to pop back on, and then this wall. All we've got left then is ceiling. So it's coming on. Complete. So I just need to get a bit of edge and trim to go on the bottom of the carpet there. But this carpet's going to be replaced when we do the whole bit of panelling there. And I'll get this panelling done as well. Right, so wall's finished behind me there. So that's good. And I've just put in all the trim to go around the edge. I put in the first panel for the roof, for the ceiling. So I've got to take that light out. Disconnect the electric. And then I can get all this panelling up. So it's coming on. Right, ceiling's done. There we go, new light. And then all fitted around there nicely. Nice finish off. A nice chrome cornice in, which comes up really cracking. Couple of little shelves there for soap and bits. Today, to finish off, I've got to paint the door. Just needs the top coat. I've got a cabinet to fit, which is going to go at the bottom of the bath and another mirrored cabinet to go around here, which will sit above the sink, but edging to go along the carpet edge. Job complete, hopefully by the end of today. So my 4-day project has only taken me 8 days. So considering the work, what was involved, quite pleased so far. Finished. Got a nice new cabinet up there, and a lovely cabinet up there as well, which I'm quite pleased with. So that matches nice and gloss white. Floor done, doors all painted. So really pleased with the result. And just to add a little touch of glamour, yeah, turn the light off. A nice light up shower head. So there you go, really pleased. Yeah, great makeover. If you like what you see, you can subscribe, and I'll be making something else again soon. Bye.